In this video, I will show you how to use Inspect Element. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Inspect Element allows you to edit websites. Just a note though, this only will be applicable to yourself, so if you do use this to edit a website, it's not going to edit the website for everyone, it's just going to be for yourself. Now to get started, I'm going to be doing this on Google Chrome. So what you want to do is come across to the website that you want to edit or use Inspect Element for. So I'm just going to do a quick Google search for YouTube and we're going to edit some text on this website here. Now what you need to do is first of all hover over the text or elements that you want to inspect and edit. So let's take this text here for example, and then what you want to do is right click to bring up this menu. Now on this menu, if you look at the very bottom, you're going to see an option which says Inspect. Give that a click and that's going to open up a window on the right hand side. When we hover over the Inspect Element section, you can see the different elements which are highlighted. So say for example we wanted to edit some of the text. Then what we can do is click onto the text in the Inspect Element section. Let's take this section here for the YouTube website. So let's double click to select it. Then what we can do is basically replace this with whatever we want. So for example, let's put something like Tech Tutor says hi, like this. Then what we're going to do to change this and apply the changes is just click anywhere off to apply the changes. As you can see, that's now going to edit it, and you can see this is reflective on the website. So you can also use this to edit other parts of the website as well. But basically, if you close this down, you'll see that's now been changed, as you can see. The only thing is when you refresh the page, it's going to reset, as you can see. But that's a quick overview on what Inspect Element is and how to go about using Inspect Element. So that is how to use Inspect Element. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.